Hi guys, my name is Laura Robio WL Albright, and today is my day off because I'm a working student who works 3 a.m. in the morning until 7 a.m. Uh, Today's time is 6 a.m. because yes, you can see it that no one's around peacefully and something strange. And then uh, my work is actually a sidekick at my family business, which is carinderia, laundries, lechon bellies. uh, Another one is magnolia chickens and itlog maalat, dried fish, and that's my brothers and sisters, my father's business, and also my mother. And today is, I just wanted to tell you that life is many purposes, challenges, and reason, and to be gained by experience. And I just want to tell you that life must go on. You must live, and life sometimes life is full of disappointments, but yes, you need to face that problem. And yes, that's it. That's 2 minutes, and thank you for viewing my vlog, and thank you and good morning. Bye.